Welcome to Real Estate IQ Wisdom for Smart Moves. Featuring Gagan Sandhu, the co-founder and CEO of Xillion.
And how does Xillion distinguishes from other real estate platforms out there?
So when we started building these, one was, Xillion is, what we are building is coming straight from my heart, right? I started this, I built these tools for myself. Then I, shared these tools with my friends and family and coworkers and all that. So it's very close to my heart and we're always evolving. The second is we go into the details that most of the platforms don't even bother. For instance, there are 1,000 calculators out there that's like, oh, what will be your annual, monthly payment, or is home buying worth it or not? They give one chart and all that, but they don't go into the nuances of the smaller things, like we even put in the maintenance cost and the PMI cost, and also, the aspects that other, as I said, the debt to income ratio. So we personalize it. We are not just giving you the cookie cutter thing. We're like, hey, listen, what is your income? Based on your income, what is your marginal tax rate? With this tax rate, if you buy this house, you will get this much tax break.
Right.
Is it worth having that tax break or not? Or should you actually keep, this money invested in S&P 500 and rent a bigger house because the math isn't working out? So our experience is highly personalized,
right,
to our customers' unique circumstances, because every family is unique. Every family's circumstances are unique. So we actually put in the effort to understand you and then go the extra mile with you and tell you, this makes sense, but this doesn't make sense. Or we also tell you, it financially doesn't make sense, but it might still make sense for you because that's what you want to do. So that's where, and not just that, another thing is a lot of people, a lot of the platforms out there, they're like, oh, this is the value of the house and bam, right? This is what's going to happen. We actually give people, as I said in the beginning, for a lot of Americans, a home becomes their biggest investment over time. And we actually give people a window into how their investment will grow over time. Because we have collected all the data about how fast real estate grows in each market. And we are able to give them a picture that, hey, in next 30 years, this is how your stocks are going to be. This is how your 401k is going to be. This is how your home is going to be. And they can see that how their overall financial life will evolve over the next 25, 30 years. And we are building more tools. For instance, if somebody has a lot of equity, property rates have appreciated so much over the last 3-4 years. If people have accumulated a lot of equity, then we are building tools so we can say, hey, this much equity, it might make merits for this much equity in the property. It might make more sense for you to take some of the equity out and actually either invest it in the market or actually buy another investment property with it. So those are the tools that just don't exist right now. And we believe there is a clear need for it.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.